viral publicity that he really felt was icing on the cake. You're listening to Morning Edge.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Jean Cochran. The FBI is using the material evidence gathered at the blast site in Boston to reconstruct the bombs that killed 3 people and injured more than 170 on Monday. NPR's Dina Temple-Raston says it appears they were
This morning, a funeral service full of pomp and ceremony.
As part of this, having to pass a written test and a driving test. Now, there is additionally in Utah something that Colorado is not proposing, and that is a background check.
We didn't do that originally either, and the reason that we didn't, there was a lot of apprehension in the minority community that this would be used improperly for profiling and a number of things. Now, in 2011, there had been some complaints that an individual that is that we have less driving privilege cards today than we had in 2006. The numbers have been relatively flat for the last 8 years.
I want to note that there is not a single Republican sponsor on the bill here in Colorado. When it passed out of its first committee not too long ago, it was on partisan lines, Democrats voting yes, Republicans voting no. You're a Republican. It had to have Republican support in Utah. What gives?